from HiFi Collective here. We now have all of the parts we've ordered from EIZZ. They're on the site. There's data about all the bits and bobs we purchased. So we met the guys from EIZZ at the Munich show in May 2024. They had a stand right at the back, second floor, and part of the stand was a demonstration of a kit, well, some HiFi that was about $1 million US dollars. I mean, it was pretty awesome. So these are the bits and bobs. I'm just going to lay them all out. Just do kind of a quick overview of them all. So, valve bases, brilliant valve bases. So they make things like this. So this is a 211-845 polished white ceramic valve base, copper pins, gold plated, beautiful. And they do some quite obscure valve bases. So these are all the valve bases. They're either ceramic or Teflon, PTFE, all sorts of ones. I mean, very similar. I mean, I do like this one. These are a plastic formed one. So this is a UX4. The whole thing is made out of composite plastic, gold pins. Awesome, really like those. Also, ones that you wouldn't really know about or see. So this is an 8-pin, kind of, I think it's 8BD or something, or 8B8B, something like that. Anyway, the whole thing's formed out of Teflon. That's awesome. And also this one, EZ120C08C, again, Teflon formed. They're great. So EIZZ are a company based in China, but good quality China. It's pretty good stuff, I think. Put that there for the valve bases. These are pretty cool. So tag strips, like this. Quality FR4 material, quite thick, with gold plated tags. These are a slightly different tag. I'll show you these. So these are the 23 pin. This is an 11 pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know why it's 11, not 10, but that's the form of the turret there, the tags. So connection to the chassis is via the ends. And you've got a 2-pin like this. So connected to the chassis via that hole and held like that. And then you've got a 4-pin. And you've got an 8-pin. So the pricing on the EIZZ product is pretty keen, pretty good. So we've sold a lot of it already. Just about to do another order with them. And you've got pretty cool valve bases. Sorry, fuse holders. A lot of audio grade fuse holders out there, but this is a 20mm. So there's a connection there. Pop the fuse in there, it closes down on top. But they're cool. And then they're pretty good with their IC sockets. That's one of them. Look at that, pretty solid, right? And then the base is, sorry, the connection is via grub screw, all gold plated. So they do the standard IEC sockets as well. Oops, that goes in that one. And then you've got all the different RCA sockets. I mean, very similar to CMC. I think they all follow a similar kind of design, or WBT, but pretty good quality, those. So different variations. Let me show you one. Right there. Just staying with a bronzed copper nut. Got some bananas, very generic bananas. Some RCA plugs, quite like these. Some of them are lockable. And they're good quality stuff, I think. That's an EIZZ 201. We've got some XLRs and XLR sockets. A bit different. Screen print's pretty good. So these are satin Teflon, PTFE. Wonderful. And then we've got some binding posts, pretty good. And this is quite an interesting one. They do stepped attenuators and switches. So this is a switch here. Pretty good, it's encapsulated, so no dust to make it noisy. And they're quite a good price, those. And then they do the series type stepped attenuator. This is the other switch. Like this. 24 step. Got quite a good action, quite smooth. Once the knob's on it, that'll be quite easy to turn. Clearly labelled outputs, inputs, bang. And then they do a really top of the range one. So we did a mono version of those, but this is the top range. Beautiful look. Same format as before. Wicked. So that's it. So check out the EIZZ on the site. Lots of new stuff to help you build high quality components and HiFi bits. Cheers. Just before I sign off, I want to say a big thank you for watching our videos. Like and subscribe and follow us on all the social network platforms. See you later.